How to fix blink sync module failed to connect. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the methods that you can use in order to fix the incorrect Wi-Fi password problem in blink sync module. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you need to do is to double check the password. This might seem obvious, but type typos are a common culprit, so you need to carefully re-enter your Wi-Fi password in the Blink application, paying close attention to the upper and the lower cases, letters and any special characters. Then you just have to verify your password. You need to check your router for a sticker containing the Wi-Fi password. Some routers may not have this sticker, so you might need to log in into your router's settings to find the password. If you are using a mesh network or Wi-Fi extenders, you can try temporarily disabling them to see if it helps the sync module connect directly to your main router. Then what you can do is you can simply restart your devices. So a power cycle can sometimes clear up the temporary glitches. For that, you just have to unplug your router and sync module from the power for at least 10 seconds. Then you need to plug your router back in and wait for it to fully boot up. It usually takes up about 30 seconds. Then you just have to plug and sync the module back in. Additionally, you can try to contact with the Blink customer support team, because if you are facing this error, then the Blink customer support team is going to help you in this regard. Secondly, the Blink devices only support the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi band, so you need to ensure that your router's 2.4 gigahertz band is enabled and you are connecting to the correct network name SSID during the setup. If none of the method work for you and if none of the method is able to resolve your issue, then factory reset would be a good option. So as a last resort, you can try resetting the sync module to its factory resettings. Refer to the Blink app or the Blink support website for further instructions on how you can actually do this. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.